this video, I'm going to show you how to download Resonic Player. Resonic Player is a fast, lightweight audio player and sample browser with a clean and minimal user interface. To get started, go into your preferred browser. I'm going to go into Microsoft Edge and then type in Resonic Player. And then click on the first link that pops up. You could also type resonic.at to just save some time, and you'll get to the same screen. In this website, just go to the download at the top bar. And then in this video, we're not going to download the pro version. We're actually going to download the free version here. And then click on download player. The download should start instantly. Just save it wherever you want. And then I'll wait for the download to finish. So the download just finished. I'm going to go into my downloads folder just to check it's there, and then just click on the setup to run it. And then you just have to go through this installation process. Just click next, next until you see the install button, and then install it. So this should take a little bit of time, and once you get this message, just click yes, and then Resonic should be installed by now. You can click launch Resonic here, and then finish, and you can also delete this setup that you don't need it anymore. And this is the software. I hope this tutorial helped, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.